So far, we considered obstructions on the sides of a field. Mostly, obstructions are found on the sides. Let's in this episode consider an obstruction on the diagonal of a field. In episode 31, the case was ranging and chaining were obstructed from A to B. The length of AB was not known. A point was to be fixed on AB. The point has specified length from A. In episode 32, the case was ranging and chaining were obstructed from A to B as before. The length of AB was known. A point was to be fixed on AB as before. The point has specified length from A as before. In this episode, the case is from A to C, ranging is not obstructed, but chaining is. We have to measure AC. We faced a somewhat similar situation in episode 31. There, the solution violated the principle working from the whole to the part. Let ABCD be a field. There is a sheet of water between A and C. This is the diagonal, and there is an obstruction on AC. We can't measure AC, but we can see C from A. We construct triangle EFD such that EF is above AC. EF is above AC. Then we won't violate the principle working from the whole to the part. If EF is below AC, it will violate the principle as in episode 31. Now if we fix G and H on AC, G and H, this point and this point must be on AC. We can fix G and H because AC is rangeable. We should fix G on at the same time. G should be on ED and H should be on FD. G and H must be on AC and G must be on AD and H must be on FD. We measure ED, DF, EF, EH, FH, EG, FH. Then we can calculate GD. GD is ED minus EG. HD is DF minus FH. We measured EF, ED and FD. We know these three sides of the triangle EFD. Apply cosine rule. Find out angle EDF. EDF, this angle. Obviously, angle EDF and angle GDH are same. EDF and GDH are one and the same. We found out angle GDH and calculated GD and HD, see above. So by applying cosine rule, we can calculate GH. We know this angle, we know this side DH, we know this side GD. So we can calculate GH by applying cosine rule. Then we can calculate AC. AC will be AG plus GH plus HC. We measure HC, we measure AG, we calculate GH. If we add these three pieces, we can arrive at the length of AC.